Hey guys, welcome back. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to factor out the greatest common factor in an expression. So, what you want to do is ask yourself the following two questions. Can I take out a number and can I take out a letter? So, let's start with the first example. Can I take out a number? I'm going to take a look at the numbers in every single term and I'm going to see if I can factor out or basically pull out a number in common. That's why it's called the greatest common factor. The answer to that is absolutely. I can take out a 3 in both. Can I take out a letter is my second question. Well, in order to take out something, it has to be common in both. I only have x in this term, and there's no x here, so I can't take out a letter. So right now, the only thing I can factor out is the 3. Once you take that out, it's like division. 3 divided by 3, 1. You're left with x to the 9. 3 goes into 9, positive 3. So now your answer in factored form is just that. Okay, let's try another one. Can I take out a number? Yes, I could. They're both even. We know that even numbers will all have 2 in common, so I can take out a 2. Can I take out a letter? No, because I only see an x here and nothing here. Because of that reason, I'm going to divide the 2 into 6 3 times. I'm going to leave x to the 4th and 2 into 8 4 times. So what you're doing is you're really just dividing out 6 over 2, 3, 8 over 2 is 4 because this sign is a negative. So therefore, this answer is just this. 2, 3x to the 4th minus 4. Let's try another one. Can I take out a number? Well, 15 and 11, well, you can't take out either 11 from either one of these. 11 is a prime. 15 and 11, they don't have anything in common, so I cannot take out a number. But I could take out a letter. In both cases, I see that there is an x. But you can only take out, you have to take out the same amount from both of them. I can't take out x to the 7th because this only has 4. So you have to take out the smaller one. That's the rules. Okay, so those are the rules. You got to take out x to the 4th. I never touch the 15th, so it stays. If you take out 4 from 7, you still have 3 left. And then minus 11, you bring down the number. And then if you take out 4 from 4, you have none left. So that's why you have to take out the smaller. You have to take out the smaller because you're going to have to be able to take it out of both of them. Okay? Let's try this one. Can I take out a number? 16 and 5? No. Can I take out a letter? Sure. They both have an x in common. So which x can I take? The smaller. Can I take out another letter? Sure. Y squared, y to the 9? Well, take out the smaller. What are you left with? Well, since you didn't take out the number, leave 16. If you take out 2 x's, there's going to be 6 x's left. And if you take out 2 y's, I have none left. So that's the first term. Plus 5. If you take out 2, then you have none left. But if you take out 2 from the y, you have 7 left. So your answer will be just that. Okay? So that's how you do that. So you have to ask yourself, can I take out a number and a letter every time you're factoring? Okay? We're almost done. We just got a few more. Well, in this case, I can take out a number from both, and I can take out a letter from both. So x squared and x to the 5th, what should we take out? X squared. Y to the 8th and y to the 4th, I should take out y to the 4th. Let's see what's left over. 3 into 3 is 1. X squared, you got nothing left over. Y to the 4th, y to the 8th, you took out 4, you still have 4 left over. Now we're going to try this one. 3 into 9, 3 times. If you take out 2 and there's 5, you still have 3 left. And if you take out all 4, then you have none left. And that's your answer. So I hope this is making sense. And this you have to do every time you are factoring. Okay? And here is, I believe, our last one. They all have a number in common, 6. Now, do I have an x in each case? I have it there, but none here. So I cannot take out an x. Okay, no x. Now let's try the y. I have a y, but I have no y here, so I cannot take out a y. So the only thing you can take out is a number. 6 goes into 18 3 times. This just comes along for the ride. 6 goes into 24 4 times. That just comes along. 6 goes into -6 1. That just comes along. And that's your final answer. That's all you can take out. The greatest common factor in all of these problems are the numbers that are in the front. So 6, in this case, 3x squared y to the 4th, x to the 4th, x squared y squared, and 3 and 2. Those are our greatest common factors. So in our next video, I'm going to teach you how to factor trinomials. But you need to know how to find the GCF, the greatest common factor, first. So I hope this video helped. Have a great day.